Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I'm going to show you how to use internet connection, but that time you can stop WhatsApp messages or calls. Actually this is amazing features from WhatsApp. I mean, if you try to use Facebook or if you try to use YouTube, that time no WhatsApp messages will come to your phone. Let me show you something. I have two phones in my hand, and if I try to give message to my this phone, let me show you. I just write these messages and you can see it's already come into my this phone. Okay, and if I try to give call, let me show you. You can see I just give call to this number and my call already come into my this phone. Okay, but let me do something in my WhatsApp, and after that I will show you what happened. So I did something in my WhatsApp, and let me go to my this WhatsApp, and if I try to message to this phone, let me show you. You can see there is no message available in there. Okay, and let me show you. There are no messages available, but I can use internet. Let me show you. I can go to YouTube and I can use Facebook or anything. Okay, and if I try to give call, let me show you. I just try to give call and you can see there is no call available in my this phone. So this is really amazing features. So if you really want to learn how to do that, then please watch my full video carefully. So before starting the process, I'll ask you something, that please subscribe my channel and give also like this video. So let's start. So first of all, you will need to go to your Play Store option, I mean in your phone, and after that you need to update your WhatsApp application first. If you don't update it, that time you will not get this option. Okay, so just update your WhatsApp messenger and then click here open option, and then you need to click here three dot line, then click here settings, and you need to go to sets first, then need to go to chat backup, then select here Google account, and after that need to select this one automatic backup, then daily, then you can choose include videos and then click backup using cellular, this option, and then click here end-to-end encrypted backup. Just click here turn on, and you can give password also in here. Okay, so after doing this thing, you need to get back from here, sorry, just go there again and then click here backup option and just take a backup of your WhatsApp chats. Okay, so after completing your backup, just need to get back from here and you need to find out one option which is storage and data, this option, and then you can see in here proxy. Okay, in that section you can see proxy, and if you don't find this option, just update your WhatsApp application. So let me click here proxy and then click here setup proxy, then write here something which is 1.1.1.1. okay, so after that just click here tick option and then you are done. So just get back from here and you can see it's already use proxy is connected. So let me show you. If I try to message to my this phone now, let me go to my this WhatsApp, and if I try to message, you can see there are no messages available. Let me give call, no call available. So how can you actually stop it? So for stopping it, let me go to WhatsApp again and then go to three dot line, then go to settings, then go to storage and data, then click here proxy, then just turn this setting off. And let me show you now. If I try to give message, just let me write this on. So now you can see I have got this message. Actually I just also turn on these settings in my this WhatsApp, so that's why I didn't get that message. Okay, so you make sure this settings is already turned off from both phone, and after that let me give some message, and you can see I just already received. So that's it guys. So by this easiest process you can use internet connection, but you can also turn off WhatsApp calls and messages. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you face any kinds of problem then please let me know. I'll try my best to help you. Thanks.